In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create Google Drive account. Google Drive is Google's cloud storage service. When you create an account, you get a drive space where you can store files, backup photos, and access documents from any device. To get started, open a web browser on your computer or phone and go to google.com. From there, look for the option that says Go to Drive or Sign Up at no cost, and click it. This will take you to the Google Drive sign-up flow. On the sign-in page, choose Create Account. You will then see account types such as for my personal use, and in some cases, an option for business. Select the one that matches what you need. For most people, personal use is the right choice. Next, enter the basic information that Google asks for, including your name, birthday, and gender. Take your time and make sure everything is accurate, since this information can be used for account recovery and personalization. After that, you will set up your email address. Google may show you a few suggested email options. You can select one of those suggestions, or you can choose the option to create your own Gmail address. Pick something you will remember and feel comfortable sharing, especially if you plan to use Drive for school or work files. Once your email is set, you will create a password. Choose a strong password that is hard for others to guess. A helpful tip is to use a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Also, avoid using common words or personal details. Make sure you store your password securely so you can access your Drive later. Next, you will be asked to enter recovery options, such as a recovery email or phone number. These help you regain access if you forget your password or if Google needs to confirm it is really you. Enter the recovery details you want to use, then click Next. Finally, read through Google's privacy and terms information. When you are ready, agree to the privacy and terms to complete the account creation process. Once you finish, your Google account will be active, and Google Drive will be ready to use. That covers everything you need to know.